My dear student, good morning. See the illustration 6th sum from the following receipt and payment account of Ooty Recreation Club. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st 3 2018. See the receipt side and payment side. To opening balance cash in hand, to rent received, to sales of investment, to subscription received. See the payment side: by sports material purchased, by stationery paid, by computer purchased, by salaries, by closing balance cash in hand. Income and expenditure account. What is the procedure? Expenditure and income account. See the opening balance cash in hand is a not considered for opening balance cash in hand, then cash at bank. Next one, the closing balance also is a not considered for value. Sale of a investment for is a not considered value for capital investment, only for not considered in capital investment. Interest on investment taken for in expenditure and income account also. See the next payment side, computer purchased also not considered for. See the first one, opening balance. To opening balance is a not considered value. Next one, to rent received. To rent received is a income side. Rent received 10,000. See the next one, sale of investment is a not considered for value. Next one, to subscription received. Income side by subscription received is a 54,000. See the payment side, by sports material purchased taken for in income expenditure side 10,000. See the next one, stationery paid 7,000. Stationery paid also is a expenditure, so expenditure side to stationery paid 7,000. See the next one, computer purchased is not considered for the value. Next one, by salaries. Salaries also is a expenditure 20,000. Two salaries 20,000. Next the closing balance cash in hand. Closing balance is also not considered for value. So the calculate the value. Income side 54,000, 10,000, total value 64,000. The expenditure side 10,000, 10,000, 7,000, 20,000 is a 37,000. 37,000 calculate the expenditure side. 37,000, the total value 64,000, the deducted value remaining is a 27,000 is a surplus. So surplus value 27,000. Are you clear, student? See the next one, illustration 7th sum. From the following receipt and payment account of Trichy Recreation Club. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st 3 2018. See the receipt side, then payment side, then particular CC amount. See the first one, opening balance cash in hand is also not considered for value. So next one, to dividend received is taken for in income side. See the next one, sale of old newspaper. Old newspaper also is a expenditure side. See the next one, to members subscription is also income side. To locker rent is a income side. To interest on investment taken for a interest on investment, not considered capital investment, but see the interest on investment, so considered for interest on investment value. See the next one, sale of furniture. Sale of furniture is also considered for value. See the book value 4,400. But total sale of furniture is a 5,000. 5,000 deducted 4,400, remaining value 600. 600 you taken a sale of furniture. See the next one, payment side, by furniture purchased. Furniture purchased is also taken. By rent a expenditure side. By secretary's honorum is a expenditure side. By postage is a expenditure side. General expenses is a expenditure side. Printing and stationery is a expenditure side. By audit fees is a expenditure side. Last one, the closing balance. Closing balance is a not considered for income and expenditure side. See the solution. 2 opening balance cash in hand is a not consider the value. See the next one. 2 dividend received. Dividend received is a income side. Dividend received 27,600. Next one. To sale of old newspaper. Sale of old newspaper is also income side 3,000. See the next one. Member subscription is a income side 31,000. See the next one. Locker rent. Locker rent is a income side 8,000. Next one. Interest on investment. Interest on investment is a considered for interest, not considered for in capital investments. Capital investments. So taken for interest on investment 1,250. So last one, sale of furniture. Sale of furniture also is a considerable value. In deducted value 5,000, 4,400 is a remaining value 600 taken for in income side. See the next one, payment side. Payment is a furniture purchased also not considered for value. Next one, rent for 2,800 is a expenditure side. Next one, secretary's honorum 15,000, postage 1,700, general expenses 4,350, printing and stationery 45,000. Last one, audit fees also 5,000 is also taken for the expenditure side. Last one, closing balance is a not considered value. So the calculate the income side. So calculate the expenditure side 2,800, 15,000, 1,700, 4,350, 45,000. Then last one 5,000. The calculate value 73,850. 73,850 for in a deducted value 27,600, 3,000, 31,000, 8,000, 1,250 is a 600. 71,450 total value 73,850. Deducted value 2,400. 2,400 by deficit 2,400. So understand student. See the exercise 6th and 7th sum. Please work it. Thank you student.